In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote Desktop for transcriptions. By the end, you'll know how to turn an audio file into searchable text right inside a note using tools built into the Evernote Desktop app. Start by opening Evernote on your computer. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and head into the Notes area. This is where all your notes live, and it's the easiest place to create something new. In the main workspace, create a new note using the note icon. You'll see a blank note appear, ready for content. At the top of that note, find the Insert option on the toolbar. Insert is where Evernote lets you add different types of content to a note. Click Insert to open its menu, then choose File. This tells Evernote you want to attach a file from your computer. In the file picker, locate the audio you want to transcribe. Common formats from voice memos or recordings typically work well. Then select it and open. Evernote will attach the audio to your note and begin generating a transcript automatically. Processing time can vary depending on the length and quality of the recording, so give it a moment. Keeping the app open and connected to the internet helps the transcript appear smoothly. When it's ready, you'll see the text right below or alongside the audio attachment. From here, you can play the audio directly in the note while reviewing the transcript. If you notice the occasional misheard word, especially with background noise, accents, or technical terms, simply edit the text in place to clean it up. Clear recordings with minimal background noise typically produce the best results, so using a decent microphone and speaking close to the source can make a noticeable difference. Once the transcript looks good, it becomes fully searchable, which is great for quickly finding key phrases or quotes later. That's all there is to it. Open Evernote, create a new note, use Insert to add a file, choose your audio, and let Evernote transcribe it for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster, more organized transcriptions in your notes.